Hello and welcome to the Megastore. Today I'm going to be unboxing this right here, the Klarstein Minibar 40-litre black refrigerator. Let's do this. So here you have it, the Klarstein Minibar fridge, 40 litres. So let's go through what the fridge comes with. There's the fridge itself, as well as its 40-litre interior. It has two removable racks and then storage space in the door itself, a top shelf here as well. It does not come with a banana though, this is mine, but I'm going to use it to show you the scale of this. As you can see, you can put a lot of bananas in there. Thanks to its relatively small size and light weight, you can pretty much move it wherever you need it. You can put it on a counter, perhaps in the garden, or on a bar. As the name suggests, it's a minibar fridge. Or perhaps if you just don't have a lot of space in your home and you just need a little extra refrigeration space, this will do that for you. 40 litres is not as small as it gets. It's actually a decent size for a smaller fridge like this. It's very good. So there you have it, the Klarstein Minibar 40-litre black refrigerator. I hope you enjoy and keep all your food and drinks cool in this little big guy. See ya.